Doas is a sudo command alternative. It allows user to run commands as the root user. It has similar functionalities to the sudo command. However, it's developed by the OpenBSD community as a safer and simpler replacement of the sudo. In this video though, I'm not going into the details on why Doas is more superior than sudo. That's a topic for another video. Instead, we just keep focus on how to configure Doas on OpenBSD. Let's begin. First, switch to the root user. Then copy the example configuration file to the etc directory. Now let's edit the config file. As you can see, Doas ships with some default configuration, which allows any user that belongs to the will group to run Doas. However, the default configuration asks for password every time, which can be quite annoying. To tackle that, we are going to add an option called persist, which will result in Doas command to ask for password only once in a while, similar to the sudo command. Once you save the file, make sure that your user belongs to the will group. For that one, just type groups, pass the username, and if your user is not part of the will group, simply use usermod and pass the group name and then the user. Now let's test it. As you can see, Doas command is already configured. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a great time. Cheers.